Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide or remove the shared album option in this device. So if you open the Photos application, go down here, you can see I already create some shared albums. You can see I create one shared album. If you tap on this one, you can see the photos. So let me show you how to hide or remove this shared album from this photo app. For this, here you can see the option customize and pre-order. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option shared album. From this list of collections, you will get the option shared albums. Just deselect this one. That's it. Now go to Photos application. Now you can see the shared application is removed or hide from this Photos app. So simply in this way you can hide or remove the shared album from this Photos application in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.